Have you ever noticed that every YouTube growth strategy video starts with like post consistent videos or like use strong hooks in the first 2 seconds of your video and your video will blow up instantly, or just use the same type of thumbnail in every video, like same color, same style, everything, and your videos will blow up, or just upload in this exact time of the day and your video will blow up surely. Have you just notice these? And when you just apply these strategies on your video, you get only 100 to 200 views or 50 views sometimes, and your subscriber count is still stuck at 200 subscribers. Then you just noticed a random YouTuber who just didn't use any editing skills in his videos. He just showed it raw, random, and like limited, literally no fancy setup at all, and his video just blew up like boom. फिर आप हम जैसे लोग सोचने लगते हैं मैंने ही कुछ गलत किया होगा ज़रूर, या फिर मेरी वीडियो शायद उतनी अच्छी नहीं बनी होगी, या फिर शायद यूट्यूब को ही मैं पसंद नहीं हूँ, यही हो सकता है। But what if I tell you the problem is not you or me? It is incomplete advice that we get on YouTube growth videos. So real reasons क्या है? Let's just talk about it. आजकल पूरे YouTube feeds पे मेरे को इस टाइप की वीडियोस ही सजेस्ट होती है, like 100K views in 3 months, या फिर this one trick just changed my whole channel, या फिर just do this and YouTube will push your videos. और आप हम जैसे लोग क्या करते हैं, बस ये चीज़ सुनते हैं and we just think like, yeah, this is what I need to just crack my channel up, and let's just write this up and just apply this strategy on my channel, and I'll just grow my subscriber count, my view count. Yes, and we just get so excited. What they basically do is they tell you the what in this whole growth strategy thing, but they don't tell you why and when and with what advantage. और यही चीज़ सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करती है। दिस वन इज़ अ हार्श ट्रुथ दैट नोबडी वांट्स टू हियर, बट बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स इसलिए फेल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज उन्होंने सही टाइम पर स्टार्ट नहीं किया। सो व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय सही टाइम पर स्टार्ट नहीं किया? सो लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब शॉर्ट्स वायरल होना स्टार्ट हुए थे, इफ आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग शॉर्ट्स एट दैट करेक्ट टाइम, माई चैनल वुड हैव ब्लोन अप। और लाइक कोई टॉपिक बहुत वायरल हो रहा है एंड दैट टाइम इफ आई मेड videos on that particular topic, my videos would have catched up and it would have gotten so many views at that time. और या फिर जब कंपटीशन बहुत लो था यूट्यूब पे, लाइक राइट नाउ इट्स लाइक ह्यूज competition between so many creators, and if I would have started when there was not much competition, maybe my channel would have blown up drastically. Nobody knows. So yeah, these are the things, factors that matters. So these growth videos show you some strategies that are applied then and there, and when these strategies are seen by us and applied by us, तब तक तो वो टाइम ही चला जाता है जब ये ग्रोथ स्ट्रेटेजी का एक्चुअली वायरल टाइम था, एंड वी यूज दैट स्ट्रेटेजी एंड आवर वीडियोस जस्ट डजंट वर्क द सेम वे, एंड वी जस्ट स्टार्ट टू ओवरथिंक आवर स्किल्स एंड आवर वीडियो क्वालिटी एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, एंड देन हम सोचने लग जाते हैं भाई हम भी तो सेम स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं पर हमारा क्यों नहीं वायरल हो रहा भाई। पर इन ग्रोथ स्ट्रेटेजीज में हमें कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि लाइक तुम्हारा रॉन्ग टाइमिंग था इसलिए तुम्हारा वीडियो वायरल नहीं हुआ या तुम्हारा वीडियो इतना ग्रो नहीं किया, बिकॉज उससे कोर्सेज थोड़ी सेल हो पाएंगे। यू नो व्हाट आई मीन? ये पार्ट ना सबसे ज़्यादा हाइड किया जाता है। सो बहुत से क्रिएटर्स के पास ना पहले से ही एडवांटेज होता है, लाइक दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलोइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक, और they have any editing experience, or maybe they are just confident like when looking at the camera and talking. So these are like very big factors while making YouTube videos, or maybe they just have some industry connection, or they have just a strong storytelling power. But what they tell you is, I just posted consistently on YouTube and YouTube just picked up my videos. No dude, YouTube just didn't saw your efforts, it saw the whole package that you provided to YouTube. So when a beginner just copies the strategy, how can just it work the same way? So in growth strategy videos में आपको बोला जाएगा कि डेली अपलोड करो, you will grow one day. बट इनमें से कोई भी ये नहीं बताएगा कि तुम्हारा नीश क्या है, या फिर तुम्हारी ऑडियंस की अटेंशन कैसे ग्रैब करे, या फिर तुम्हारा रिटेंशन रेट कितना होना चाहिए, इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ बोरिंग वीडियो और नॉट, या फिर व्हाट इज योर पर्सनैलिटी लाइक. So you just keep uploading daily videos and one day you just get frustrated and you just feel very lethargic after making so many videos. Still you don't see any growth on your channel because YouTube doesn't reward the effort, it rewards the viewers' reactions on your videos. if they are liking your videos, they are commenting on it, or if they are watching your videos till the end or for a longer period of time. These are the things that matters to YouTube, not too much effort or like putting so many videos in one day. These are not gonna work. So this is a concept of psychology and business which tells you that you only see videos of people who succeeds. You don't see videos of thousands of people who just applied those strategies and failed miserably. So what happens is that your brain thinks that if it worked for them, it is going to work for me too. But what you have to understand is success online is a mix of timing, luck, skills, experimentation, and audience psychology. And luck is a factor that is never mentioned in the growth strategy videos because it just makes success feels uncontrollable. So सारे क्रिएटर जो इन तरह की वीडियो बना रहे हैं वो सब बुरे हैं नहीं, कुछ लोग सच भी बोल रहे हैं, बट ये बात सच है कि सिंपल स्टोरीज ज्यादा वायरल होती है और वन सीक्रेट वाली वीडियोस दे गेट बेटर क्लिक्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी सबको बोरिंग लगती है एंड कोर्सेज कॉन्फिडेंस पे बिकते हैं, कंफ्यूजन पे नहीं। लाइक अगर कोई बोले कि मेरा चैनल 6 चीज़ों, टाइमिंग एंड लक की वजह से हुआ, नोबडी इज गोना क्लिक ऑन दैट वीडियो। So that's why they just simplify the story and tell you that one secret or one thing that you should do, or this made my video go viral, or this one thing I did for my video and my channel blew up. So simplify करने पर people just get attracted to that. अब real advice सुनो बिना किसी छूट के। So when you watch these kind of videos, you just have to see these advices like direction and not formula. And don't copy these advices, just adapt these advices in your video. Always when you are making a video, just think of a one problem that your audience is facing and make videos according to solving that problem. In every single video, improve one thing you think is making your videos not stand out. Just improve one single thing in every single video you upload. Instead of focusing on how many views you get, just focus on how much retention rate did you get on your videos, which is very important. Don't build any hacks, just build your identity on YouTube so that you are recognizable every time you upload a video. People are like jumping to watch your video because you are in it. Growth actually slow ho sakti hai, but if it is real, it is going to work. Just keep that in mind. If any strategy didn't work for you, it doesn't mean that you failed. It just means that this particular strategy was not aligning with your concept or your context. So stop chasing shortcuts and start building clarity. अगर आपको ये वीडियो देख के लगा कि
Yep, that's me.
So please like this video, subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, we don't grow fast, we just grow real.